Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your cloud compliance with Vanta. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin securing your cloud compliance with Vanta, first, visit the Vanta website and create an account. Once your account is set up, log in to the Vanta dashboard. Next, select the compliance framework that is relevant to your business needs. Vanta offers a variety of frameworks, such as SOC2, ISO 27001, and HIPAA. After choosing your framework, start the onboarding process by answering a series of questions. These questions will help Vanta understand your current compliance posture. Follow the prompts to integrate your systems, including cloud providers and security tools. Vanta supports numerous integrations, making this process straightforward. After integration, Vanta will conduct an automated audit of your systems. This audit helps identify any gaps in your compliance. Review the findings carefully. Vanta will provide actionable insights to address these gaps. Next, start implementing the recommended security measures. Make sure to document any changes you make for future reference. As you address compliance gaps, monitor your progress in the Vanta dashboard. Stay proactive by regularly checking for automated alerts and updates from Vanta. Once you have made necessary adjustments, run another audit to confirm compliance. If everything checks out, you can proceed to generate your compliance reports. Finally, share these reports with stakeholders to demonstrate your commitment to cloud compliance. With these steps, you'll efficiently secure your cloud compliance using Vanta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.